Hi, my name is Becky. Welcome to Learning Chinese, 学中文. Let's talk about months. There's something that is very important when we're referring to dates, and we use them almost on a constant basis. They divide the year into equal segments, and they help us to distinguish what time frame we're in. The character for month is 月, just one 月, 月 for month. And the rule for months are the only difference in January, February, all the way to December is the number that coexists with the month. For example, the first month is January. So that's why the number in front of it is 一 for the first month. The second month is February. And as you may guess, the number that goes with that is 二. March, the third month, is 三 for the number 3. April, fourth month. And how do you say 4 in Chinese? That's 四. Following April, we have the fifth month, or May, and the number is 五. After May, we have June, the sixth month, and the sixth month for 6 in Chinese is 六. After all these, you would put the character for month, 月. Let's continue for the other months. July, 7th month, 7 in Chinese, 七. August, 8th month, the number that stands for it, number 8, 八. September, 9th month, the number is 九. October is the 10th month, and what you have is 十. 十一. The 11th month is November, and then the last month of the year, number 12, 十二, which is December. Now I mentioned earlier that all you have to do is add 月 onto the end of each of these numbers to refer to the month. So, if you say January, there are two ways to say this. This is the more complicated way. You could say 一月份. 一 refers to the first month, which is January, and 月 is month. 份 goes along with it and you can use this phrase for January. 一月份. Or you could use a simpler version, which is just the number and then the character 月. For January, it would be 一月. 一月 for January. Months are relatively simple. There are not a many number of new characters. The only one that you learned just now would be the one for month, which is 月. The numbers we have all learned before. So for February, the second month, you would put the number with the character for month, and you get 二月. 二月 for February, the second month of the year. And then you have March, third month, 三. And how do you say month? 月. 三月 for March. And we're going to skip a few since they are all relatively similar. And you might have guessed the pattern already. November, 11th month of the year, 十一月. 十一 is 11 and 月 is month. November, 十一月. last month, December, 12. 12月 12月 for the 12th month or December. And here's a summary with all of them in full so that we can go over them in case you're unsure. January, 1月 February, 2月 3月 is March. 4月 April. 5月 May. 6月 June. 7月 July. 8月 August. 9月 September. 10月 October. 11月 November. And 12月 December. The only thing you may need to get used to is referring to months as numbers instead of their names. But that's relatively easy since they're all in order. Thank you for joining me.